Yes, take down the problem under the alternative method. In the previous class, I was work out the problem under the alternative method when the partner withdrawn on first of every month. This class, the three partners are withdrawn the uniform amount of drawings on different dates. Yes, the problem is X, Y and Z are partner. X, Y and Z are partners. Their drawings are as follows. Under that, X withdrawn rupees 2500 on first of every month. Next, Y withdrawn rupees 2000 on 15th of every month. Then Z withdrawn rupees 1000 on end of every month. The next line, calculate interest on drawing under product method and alternative method separately at 12% per annum. 12% per annum. Right? It is a problem. The three partners are X, Y and Z. Their drawings are given below. X withdrawn rupees 2500 on first of every month. Y withdrawn rupees 2000 on 15th of every month. Z withdrawn rupees 1000 on end of every month. Calculate the interest at 12% per annum under product method and alternative method separately. When this kind of problems are given in the examination, you go to calculate the interest on drawing under the alternative method. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡಸ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ calculate the interest on drawing under the product method and alternative method. Therefore, first calculate the interest on drawing under product method, then go to the alternative method. Yes, the first heading, calculation of interest on drawing of X. Under that, calculate under the product method. Under product method, how to calculate under the product method, you know. Prepare the table with 4 columns. The first column is the date, the second column is the amount, the third column is the period, the last column is the total product. Prepare the table with 4 columns. You know the table. First column is the date, the second column is the amount in rupees, the third column is the period in months, the last column is the total product in rupees. Okay. The business start on 1st April, that is the date. The uniform amount rupees 2500. From 1st April to 31st March there are 12 months in the period column. 2500 into 12 months, rupees 30,000. It is the total product. The next drawing, same 1st May. It is the 1st of February month. The partner withdrawn rupees 2500 from the business for his personal use. Rupees 2500 up to 31st March. The total product comes to rupees 27,500. The next, on 1st June, the partner withdrawn rupees 2,500. From 1st June to 31st March, there are 10 months. The total product comes to rupees 25,000. Next, the 1st July, rupees 2,500 for 9 months, rupees 22,500. How to come the 9 months? You calculate the number of months from 1st July to 31st March, the 9 months are comes. Then 1st August, rupees 2,500 into 8 months, rupees 20,000. Next, 1st September, rupees 2,500 into 7 months, rupees 17,500. The next date is the 1st October, rupees 2,500 for 6 months, 15,000 rupees. The next drawing on 1st November, rupees 2,500 into 5 months, rupees 12,500. The 1st December, rupees 2,500 into 4 months, rupees 10,000. The next drawing on 1st January, rupees 2,500 into 3 months, 7,500. The next drawing on 1st February, rupees 2,500 into 2, rupees 5,000. The last withdrawn on 1st March, it is the last month, 2,500 into 1. The total product comes to rupees 2,500. Yes. Total product comes to rupees. Calculate the total product. You record correctly the digits, follow the digits at the time of writing, otherwise very difficulty for addition. Okay, 0, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 3 carry, 10, 15, 17, 24, 29, 31, 38, 45, 4, yes, 4 carry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 19. The total product comes to rupees 1,95,000. The once again total the total product right. Yes, the next formula for interest on drawing calculation, total product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. The total product is calculated. Rate of interest is given 12%. The 1 by 12 is the common factor. It is 1,95,000 at the rate of 12% for 1 by 12. The 0000 cancelled. 12 ones are 12 cancelled. The answer comes to rupees 1,950. It is the answer under the product method. It is the answer under the product method, 1,950. Right? Then come to the calculation of interest on drawing under the alternative method. Alternative method. Under the alternative method, interest on drawings equal to total drawings into rate of interest into 1 by 12 into 13 by 2. Under the alternative method, the calculation of the interest on drawing, the formula is the total drawings into rate of interest into 1 by 12 into 13 by 2. The total drawing should be calculated rupees 2,500 into 12 months. It is the total drawings. It means every month the partner withdrawn rupees 2,500 in a year. In the year 12 months, the total drawing is available when the 2,500 is multiplied with 12. The rate of interest is given in the problem. It is 12 by 100. The 1 by 12 is the common factor. The 13 by 2, it is a very important. It is average period of the partner withdrawn for the personal use. Henge idu? It is a average of the maximum and minimum number of months. See the product method. The maximum number of months utilized by the partner 12 months. The minimum number of months used by the partner are utilized by the partner 1 month. Therefore, 12 plus 1, 13 divided by 2. That means the average of the maximum and minimum number of months used by the partner. Okay, it is 30,000 is the total drawing during the year. The 12%, 1 by 12, 13 by 2. Then 2020 cancelled, 12 ones are 12 cancelled. From 2 divide 300, 150. 150 multiplied with 13, 13 1, 13 0 0, 13 5s are 65, 13 ones are 13 plus 6, 19. 19. So the answer comes to rupees 1950. See the answer under the product method 1950, under the alternative method 1950. That's why I am telling, when the problem asking to calculate the interest on drawing either 6% or 10% or 12%, but the partner withdrawn the uniform amount at the equal interval, go to calculate the interest on drawing under the alternative method, not for the product method. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ, ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು. 13/12 ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂತು? 13/12 ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಈಸ್ 12, ದ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಈಸ್ 1. ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಂತ್ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 12 months, the minimum number of month utilized by x 1 month. That should be average. 12 plus 1, that is 13 divided by 2. That is the answer. Any doubt? Okay. Next, go to the calculation of the interest on drawing of y. Is the heading calculation of interest on drawing of y. Calculation of interest on drawings of y. Right. First, under the product method, under the product method, the y withdrawn rupees 2000 on 15th of February month. It means the first prepare the table with 4 columns. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 4 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. The first column is the date, the second column is the amount, the third column is the period, the last column is the total product. Come on, prepare fast. The first column is the date column, the second column is the amount column, the third column is the period column, the last column is the total product. Right? Table is ready, I think. Yes, start the answer. The first withdrawn on 15th April. Rupees 2000 is the amount. The number of months 11.5 months. Up to 31st March 2000, sorry, up to 31st March 11.5 months. Is calculate the amount. It is 23,000 is correct. Right. The next, on 15th May rupees 2000 up to 31st March 10.5 months, the amount comes to rupees 21,000. The next withdrawn, the next month 15th June rupees 2000 for 9.5 months, the total product comes to rupees 19,000. Then 15th July rupees 2000 for 8.5 months, rupees 17,000. The next 15th August rupees 2000 for 7.5 months, it is 15,000. Next 15th September rupees 2000 for 6.5 months, rupees 13,000. Right. The next 15th October rupees 2000 for 5.5 months, rupees 11,000. Next 15th November rupees 2000 for 4.5 months, rupees 9,000. Next withdrawn on 15th December rupees 2000 for 3.5 up to 31st March, rupees 7,000. The next withdrawn on 15th January rupees 2000 up to 31st March, 2.5 months, it is 5,000. Next withdrawn on 15th February rupees 2000 up to 31st March, 1.5 month, rupees 3,000. The last withdrawn, the last month, March, on 15th, rupees 2000 for half month, up to 31st March. From 15th March only half month, it is 1,000 rupees. Right. Then calculate the total product. Total product equal to rupees is 000 4 9 18 25 26 29 34 41 50 51 54 5 carry 7 9 10 11 12 13 14. Once again check up the total. Right, 1,44,000 is the correct. Any change? So interest on drawing equal to total product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. The total product is already calculated, that is 1,44,000. The rate of interest is the 12%. The 1 by 12 is the common factor. Simplify the answer. 0000 cancelled. 12 ones are 12 ones are cancelled. The answer is 1,440. When the partner withdrawn rupees 2,000 on middle of the every month at the 12% rate of interest, the interest on drawing comes to rupees 1,440. Right? Any doubt under the product method? So go to the alternative method. Under alternative method, under the alternative method, is any doubt under the product method? Anybody have a doubt? Okay. Under the alternative method, interest on drawing equal to total drawings into rate of interest into 1 by 12 into 12 by 2. First, understand the formula for the calculation of interest on drawing. When the partner withdrawn middle of the every month, the total drawings into rate of interest into 1 by 12 into 12 by 2, the total drawing from 15th April to 31st March, what is the amount withdrawn by the partner? That should be multiplied with the number of months. It is the 2,000 rupees withdrawn by the partner all the month. ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವನು ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 15th ಏಪ್ರಿಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15th ಮಾರ್ಚಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. 12 ತಿಂಗಳು ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಅದು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2,000 rupees withdrawn by the partner from 15th April to 31st March every month. ಅಂದರೆ the 2,000 rupees withdrawn by the partner on middle of the every month. How many months they withdrawn? 12 months. ನೀವು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 months. The 12 months the partner withdrawn rupees 2,000, the drawings comes to rupees 24,000. Okay, then the rate of interest is given. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 12% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ 12%. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 by 12 is the common factor. Then what is 12 by 2? It is 11.5 plus 0.5. Divided by 2. Right? 11.2 ಯಾವುದು, 0.5 ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ, come to the product method. The maximum number of month withdrawn by the partner, the first month withdrawn on 15th April to 31st March, the 11.5 months. The last month withdrawn on 15th March, the minimum month is 0.5 months. Right? The average of the maximum and minimum month. Okay, that is the 12 by 2. 11.5 plus 0.5 equal to 12 divided by 2. The total product rupees 24,000 at the rate of 12%. The 1 by 12 is the common factor, again 12 by 2. The answer comes to the 0000 cancelled, 12 ones are cancelled. From 2 divide 240, 120. Right? 120 multiplied by 12 rupees 1440. See the answer. The interest on drawing rupees 1440 under the alternative method. Again see under the product method, the answer is same. Right? Any doubt in this? Okay. The next, another partner is Z, that is the Z. The next one is calculation of interest on drawings of Z. Right? Last cover agala. Right? The heading calculation of interest on drawing of Z, under that product method, write down fast. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Prepare the table with 4 columns. Right? The 4 columns. The first one is the date column. The second one is the amount column. The third one is the period column. The last one is the total product. Right? End of April. Don't write the date. You should write end of month. Okay. End of April rupees 1000 up to 31st March. There are 11 months. So 11,000. Then end of May rupees 1000 up to 31st March rupees 10,000. Next month drawn on end of June rupees 1000 up to 31st March, 9 months. Total product comes to rupees 9,000. The next withdrawn end of July rupees 1000 up to 31st March, 8 months, 8,000. The next end of August rupees 1000 for 7 months, 7,000. Then end of September rupees 1000 for 6 months, rupees 6,000. Then end of October rupees 1000 for 5 months, 5,000. The next withdrawn on end of November rupees 1000 for 4 months, rupees 4,000. Then end of December is the next month, rupees 1000. Up to 31st March, 3 months, rupees 3000. Then end of January, rupees 1000. Up to 31st March, 2 months, 2000 rupees. Next, end of February, rupees 1000. Up to 31st March, 1 month, 1000. The end of March is the last day, rupees 1000. Number of months 0. The answer comes to 0. Then calculate the total product equal to rupees. The total product $66,000, right? Under this, calculate the interest on drawing. Total product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. Total product already calculated, 66,000 at the rate of 12%. 1 by 12 is the common factor. The 00 cancel, 12 ones are 12 cancel. The answer comes to rupees 660 rupees. It is the answer under the product method. When the partner withdrawn at the end of the every month rupees 1000 at the rate of 12% interest. Under the alternative method, calculate the interest on drawing equal to total drawings into rate of interest into 1 by 12 into 11 by 2. Right, it's a very important. The 1000 rupees withdrawn by the partner all 12 months. The rate of interest is 12 by 100. 1 by 12 is the common factor. 11, how comes 11? 11 plus 0 divided by 2. The maximum number of months is 11. The minimum month is 0. Therefore, 11 plus 2, 11 plus 0 divided by 2. The answer comes to 1000 per month for 12 months, 12,000 at the rate of 12%. The 1 by 12, 11 by 2. The 00 cancelled, 12 ones are cancelled. From 2 divide 120, 60. The answer comes to rupees 660. It is a way of answer under the alternative method. Right? Any doubt in the calculation?